someone else. 'Cause with you I'm home, it's like nowhere else. I feel alive when you're by my side.
All right.
Every day with you is like paradise. It's like singing
This fucking bike here. That's some scooter, innit? Well, this is the shop that I bought both my starter bikes from. I don't even know if this thing's still recording. Have a look at the bikes. You alright, mate? Alright.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Overworked, underpaid.
Oh. You having a shift around? Said it.
They ride really well.
Yeah.
You didn't want a car, full car like
Yeah, that's what I saw. Yeah, yeah.
Do you want to go on one day?
One day.
Come on, Barry. No pressure. As I say,
Yeah,
I like an opinion of a mature person.
yeah, yeah. One day. I'll take one for a spin. And what size CC you said it's?
350.
Oh, it's just a 350.
They go better than you think. This is got the big scooter engine, but they're not as heavy.
Right,
As,
right.
the
I've seen one of these flying past me on the motorway, mate. And I was doing, you know, national speed limit.
Their cruise is 85 mile an hour tour.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
they're good for a lot more.
Yeah, I will do. Give me a couple of months. I'm not.
No, I'm not
Yeah,
trying to
yeah,
say
yeah.
that. If it's
But
a nice warm day next week, come and have a play on one.
okay, okay.
I don't offer that lightly because there's a lot of people I won't let it get on.
I'll just leave mine here and take a little spin on it and see what it's really like.
I'll take the wheels off and steer the tyres and everything.
No, you won't do that. I'm gonna come.
Right round the back so it's parked up so.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. Hopefully we get a good week next week. It's just iffing and ahhing now.
Up until Thursday, the weather's going to be nice and it's going to go off again.
Is it?
Can you price me a rear caliper for a pulse adrenaline, please? Do you want the registration number?
I'll see you guys later then. Cheers, yep. Okay, I'll come and test ride one of these next week. Nice. Yeah, this is my shop where I bought my bikes from. So I'll come and ride that next week. See what it's up to. I'm at the scrapyard now, people. Great. Turn this off now. Speak to you guys later.